my name's Andres, and let me be the first to welcome you to Campus Base for Family and Life. We are very happy to speak with you today. I'll be going over 3 essential tips to help you survive college as a Campus Base member. If you ever get lost, look for the crowd of Filipinos.
Hey, are you guys part of Campus Base?
Yeah! You want to join?
Yeah.
Alright!
78% of the time, they'll be in Campus Base. No, you do not have to be Filipino to join. We have a praise and worship in every meeting, and if you play an instrument, watch out, because we're coming after you.
Hi!
Hey, do you want to play for worship?
What?
Our ministry runs in a lot of acronyms, such as our name, CFC-CBFL, and our parent ministry, CFC-FFL. If you ever find yourself in a conversation with someone using all these acronyms,
What was that YFL, CPFL thing? You know, the one where they talk about HERT or REPA-HEPO? Or was that the CLS? Do you remember?
Huh?
refer to our website at http://cfc-cbfl.org.
Wait. So you're telling me we have a website?
Thank you for your time. And if you have any questions or want to learn more, please join us at our CFC-CBFL National Conference. We hope to see you there.